Are you having a memory space problem? Well, this video gets to cover because I'm going to show you how you can free up memory space on your system. I use this method to increase 6.2 gig that remains on my hard disk C, and then I have 11.4 gig free at the end of the day. You have to try this. Without much ado, let's get started. Locate your local disk C, and then you look for Windows. So once you click on Windows, then you have to go look for a particular program that is called software distribution. Remember, I click on Windows and then you click on software distribution. So that is what I am looking for now. Software distribution. So here it is. So once you click on software distribution, then you click on download. You click on download. So this is where we are going to delete all this. But if you do not understand what I'm trying to say, let me take you back again. But before I do that, remember to hit on the subscription button. So go to your local disk C or display, okay, then you click on Windows, and then after clicking on Windows you hit on software distribution, and then you click on this download. So this download is what you are going to delete. Just permanently delete it. Shift key and then you click on delete. Hold on shift key and you click on delete. You see, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? Hit on yes. These are just the junk file. You don't really need it. It will not affect your system. So here it is. Imagine, look at my system, almost 6 gig, almost 6 gig. When you check your system, you'll see that it can be more than that. You see, it's even taking the time to even prepare it. So you can see it's still kind of reading. I have 3 gig there, move to 4 gig, you could see, and then almost 6 gig. And when I discovered this method, it really helped me. So you have to provide administration permission. You click on continue and you just have to wait. 5.23 gig. So you have to wait for some time and then you see what is going to happen. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to skip this part. Do you get it? But once it begins, I'm going to fast forward it, but yours is going to take a little time. Even when I wanted to do it, it takes a little time, almost 6 gig. So I'm going to fast forward in order to you can see. When you try this, remember to subscribe to this channel. And with this, you can see I was able to add another extra 6 gig to my system. Can you see, from 6 gig to 11.41 gig. Try this, and if this works for you, remember to comment, like and share this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.